Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not any new updates in the sense of, new levels of support or new levels of resistance, just confirmation of levels that I've talked about in the past are still indeed, pertaining to the chart. Namely, this level right here at that red line, which again, if you watched the video from Friday, hope you remember me talking about that, but $2.90. And it's still being a thorn in the side of the bulls, and in the sense of getting a true break. And a true break has two parts. The first part's always the obvious one. The price has to be able to break above a level. And that's not where the problem occurs. I mean, multiple times even today, the price was able to, accomplish that first step and break above the $2.90 mark. But the second part of a true break is, after the price breaks above a level, then the price needs to be able to maintain above it. The price needs to be able to stay above it. And that whole second part is where the price is just currently struggling. So again, sure, got up above it, but then fell back below, could not maintain. Again, later on in the day, sure, the price was able to break above it, but then once again, not able to maintain above it. So I would definitely agree that 290 was weakened up today, but as far as, is it still a level of resistance or not? Definitely is, and just kind of one of those stubborn levels where the price is able to get above it, but just can't quite maintain above it. So 290, definitely, that key primary level of resistance right now. The price can break through there and separate the next overall level up at 325. But talking about 325 at this point in time, getting a little bit ahead of yourself, given, the struggles right now that the bulls are having at $2.90. In regards to levels of support, nothing new here. I am just going to do a little update and get rid of this line down here. Reason for that revolves around the purple line right there, which is the 50 period simple moving average, and that's just our overall trend indicator, meaning as long as the price is above that level, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control. And since that level has now crossed up above the green line, just from a presentation standpoint, going to get rid of it so the chart it doesn't become too cluttered up with 8 million annotations. So near term, $2.60, still that level of support, but after today, the price didn't even come close to testing it. So not the most exciting day in terms of breaking levels of resistance or anything, but taking a step back, looking at the overall chart, bulls are still building these higher bases, and that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.